Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the team where collaboration happens. First, click Channels, then New Channel. Name it clearly so people find it fast. Choose standard or private depending on audience, and add a short description to explain purpose. Once done, set channel classification and privacy to match company rules. This prevents accidental sharing. Make sure to add key members right away if private. These initial choices shape visibility, notifications, and governance, so take a moment to get them right. Now configure the channel so work flows smoothly. Open channel settings to enable moderation, control who posts, and adjust member permissions. This reduces noise and keeps focus. Add tabs for files, Planner, OneNote, or a custom app to surface resources where people already work. Once done, pin key files and set default reply options so conversations stay threaded. Make sure Teams and app notifications align with your cadence, otherwise people miss updates or get overwhelmed. Finish by using the channel with clear habits so it stays useful. Post a pinned guidelines message explaining threads, at mentions, and file naming. You'll reduce duplicate posts and confusion. Regularly review files, archive stale tabs, and update permissions as roles change. If something goes wrong, first check member permissions and channel privacy, then confirm app sync, and if needed, clear Teams cache and restart. This resolves most display or sync issues. Finally, solicit feedback so the channel evolves with your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.